Hey y'all, it's Desi and we're back with ham and cheese macaroni. So get your water ready, put a little oil and salt. I put a half a bouillon cube in here because I didn't have my little shake chicken bouillon. You know what I'm talking about. You're going to need a cup of onion chopped up. And once that gets rolling and boiling, you can use any pasta you want. I just used medium shell elbow macaroni. Put that in there, and once it's done, put it to the side. I have a ham steak here. I sear it up because I don't like my meat raw in my pasta at all. So put that to the side. We're going to use the same pan we made the ham steak, and we're going to cook those onions down. I chopped up the spinach a little bit so it just wouldn't be big pieces, and add it in here and cook it down just a little bit till it's wilted. Then we're going to start on our sauce for our macaroni. So I got 2 tablespoons of butter. We added a little bit of flour. We're just going to make a bechamel real quick. Brown it till it's a little light, And then we're going to add in a cup and a half of milk and mix that up, okay? It's going to thicken up a little bit. We want it to get a little bit thicker. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add a little salt and pepper, and then we're going to add the whole thing of the garlic and herb Boursin cheese, and we're going to add a half a cup of ricotta cheese. Now you want your fire off when you put in these cheeses, okay, and let it just melt down. Then I'm going to add a little splash of soy sauce because that's how I do it, a little salt and pepper, cayenne, smoked paprika, and a little bit of garlic salt. You don't want to put too much salt because the ham is going to be salty, okay? Add in your spinach mixture that you made. We're going to mix that up. And then what we're going to do, we're going to add in that ham steak, but we're going to chop it up, okay? I added just a little bit of Parmesan cheese in here. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put this in a glass buttered dish so it doesn't stick. I add a little more Parmesan cheese on the top. And then I grated a little Swiss cheese on the top. You don't have to add the Swiss cheese, but that's how I like it. Add a little paprika. Also, I poured a little milk on the bottom of the pan so it wouldn't be naked. Bake this in the oven for 20 minutes, y'all.